that in the US market, how did it fare?
That's right. If you look at the futures, US equity futures, they were mostly flat on Sunday evening with the S&P 500 trading near that record high level. And like you said, it was a busy week of potential market moving news that's going to come ahead. Now, this futures move that's come is largely after all the three major averages, that is the major indices, notched their second straight to winning week. The S&P 500 that closed above that 6,000 level for the first time since February 21st, and it's now just less than 3% away from its record closing high. Like you said, this week is going to be packed with plenty of action, with opportunities either to reinforce or undermine the market's confidence. Now, today, officials from the US and China are expected to hold trade talks in London. That's what Donald Trump had announced on Friday. Apart from that, inflation data is something that we'll be watching out for, and that's key. That's going to have an impact on the market. But apart from that, how are things looking on the crude front, Ankur?
Crude also did rally after the news which has been there that US-China trade truce is set to happen, and the meeting is awaited. Brent crude was trading above $64 and Brent crude was actually trading above $66 now, up around 4%. And if you talk about WTI, that was above $64. And not only crude, you would have seen renewed enthusiasm even in gold, where it did move around 3,300 an ounce. If you talk about the rates, where it closed on Friday, and this happened after 2 days of decline.